Hey everybody, welcome back to Uncle Bud's Cookouts. Now, any summertime meal is not complete without dessert. For my family, that's Cherry Delight. It's basically a parfait kicked up. It's real easy. Let's get to it. Now first we're going to start with layers of graham crackers. This is an 8x8 pan. You want one even layer. Fits perfect. We can actually sneak in one more half. Like so. Beautiful. Now we got some vanilla pudding here. We'll take that. We'll do about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch layer. Take a little more in here and we'll smooth it out. Your crackers are going to shift a little bit, but not to worry, as the pudding acts like an adhesive, glue everything together. You push it out to the edges. Nice and smooth. And a bit more. There we go. Now that is looking nice. Make sure you get these corners. Everybody loves a corner piece. Now we'll go with a little Cool Whip. Make sure that's not in the freezer because you can't spread stiff Cool Whip. Take a little big dollop here. Nice and smooth. It might get a little mixed in together, but that's fine. It's going to taste just as good. Smooth to the edges. Now we're going to repeat one more layer of graham cracker, pudding, and Cool Whip. And make sure you use the honey graham crackers. You don't want the cinnamon on this. Flavor doesn't go right. And one here. Back to our pudding. Gives a good helping of that. All right, looking good. Now, one of the lovely things about this dessert is after it's set for a little while, the pudding melds with the graham crackers. You get this great moist taste all the way through. One more layer of Cool Whip. Now this isn't one you eat quite off the bat. Prepare a couple hours beforehand, set it in your fridge, and it'll be perfect. All right, now for the part that makes cherry pie filling. Buy from the store in a can. It's wonderful. At least for this. Alright, now finish it off, pretty up your edges with a little dab of Cool Whip. And to make a little color pop, a few fresh blueberries. There we go. Now, like I said, put in the fridge for a couple hours, take a spoon, top out, wonderful. All right, so got out of the fridge, dressed it up a little bit more to make it more presentable for the common folk. And there you go, that's Cherry Delight. And thanks for joining us here today on Uncle Bud's Cookouts. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down in the corner to get the rest of our videos, and comment below. See y'all next time.